Welcome back to Stock Invest channel, your trusted source for market insights before the bell. Today, we are diving into the latest movements in the United States stock futures as investors eye key tariff announcements from President Trump. United States stock futures are climbing this morning, driven by reports that President Trump's upcoming tariff measures might be less severe than previously thought. This could influence the market's opening as investors react to the news. According to Bloomberg, Trump's April 2nd announcement could unveil more targeted tariffs, potentially easing concerns over widespread economic impact. This has bolstered market sentiment as we start the week. Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney has called for a snap election next month amidst growing tensions with the United States over trade. The election could shape Canada's economic strategy in response to President Trump's trade policies. With the Dow, Standard & Poor's 500, and NASDAQ futures all posting gains, investors are cautiously optimistic. However, concerns remain about how the targeted tariffs might affect different sectors of the economy. Analysts suggest that even targeted tariffs could still have substantial negative effects on the economy and corporate profits, at least in the near and medium terms. The economic calendar this week includes the release of the United States Purchasing Managers' Index, which will provide insights into business activity following last month's near stall. Investors are also closely watching the Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index, a key inflation measure monitored by the Federal Reserve, set to be released later this week. Despite the market's optimism, there are underlying concerns about the potential for retaliatory measures from countries affected by the new tariffs. Meanwhile, gold prices have remained relatively stable, with the dollar's movements providing some support. The metal remains close to recent highs due to the ongoing economic uncertainties. In international news, negotiations for a ceasefire in Ukraine continue, while tensions in the Middle East add another layer of complexity to the global economic outlook. Thank you for watching Stock Invest. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest market news and analysis.